Hello and welcome back to Treasury Crafts. This is Anu. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Then it will show 3 options and select all notification option so that you will be updated about my new videos. Today I am going to make a very simple bottle art with this empty detergent bottle, that is Surf Excel bottle. You can use any plastic or glass bottle. Remove the label. As plastic is not a porous material, so I'm going to cover it with a homemade primer or gesso. I made it with only 3 ingredients. The video will be uploaded soon. This primer will give a good base to work with clay and paints. It is not like normal acrylic paints. If you paint directly on plastic or glass, it will start peeling off from the bottle. But if you use primer, it really gives a good base. Or else you can cover it with tissue paper and paint it with acrylic black. Give a coat and let it dry for 5 minutes. I am using 3D outliner to split the bottle into 2 unequal halves. But this is completely optional. You can even use normal acrylic paint to divide the bottle into 2 unequal halves. Just draw 2 vertical lines like this with paintbrush, or you can use 3D outliner. I'm going to use homemade paper clay for a decoration. I made it before 5 to 6 months and it still stays fresh. Instead of paper clay, you can even use beads. Do comment on what you think about this video and don't forget to subscribe. Share it with your family and friends who might be interested in crafting. Now, make paper clay balls in different sizes. Now, using any glue, stick those paper clay balls at one side of the bottle. Stick it randomly. Now let it dry for some time. I'm going to use these 2 metallic colors to paint the bottle, which will give a shiny look. Use any sponge or you can use paintbrush to paint the bottle. Leave the clay balls and paint it on the remaining surface. Now for the other side of the bottle, I'm going to use dark turquoise metallic color. I'm using sponge to paint it. Coloring is your choice. You can even use normal acrylic colors to paint it. But I would recommend you to use metallic colors, especially when you're using black background and painting it with metallic colors. It will turn the bottle into a completely different and rich look. Now I'm using golden metallic color to paint the clay balls. Give 2 coats of paint. You can use it as a flower vase, or you can plant some indoor plants, or simply use it as a home decor. And it is ready to decor your home. I have made this very simple yet elegant bottle art with some of my homemade art supplies. Do try this in your home. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.